As a Saturday project, I decided to build my own biltong box. So the reason why I decided to do my own is because I'm following the carnivore diet for a little while. I don't want to buy biltong that's been laying in some sugary substance. So I decided to rather go this route where I only use Himalayan salt to flavor my meat. It was a fun project, and it can also work out to be very economical. You could build your own biltong box for under 200 Rand. I've made an article about this on our technical.co.za website as well as our mrsmac.co.za website. The reason why the Mrs. Mac website, that is where you can buy fans to put inside your biltong box from as little as 49 Rand. And it's rechargeable fans, so it's not something you have to stick a battery into. Should there be a power outage of some sort, it will continue running on its portable power. So, you're covered that way. Follow the video. I hope you're going to enjoy it. I've got the complete recipe for this on the sites, the complete list of things that you need and how much it will work out for. And as I said, under 200 Rand. There are commercial boxes out there that are going to be worth your while too. I mean, if you prefer to just go and buy your own biltong box, they're not that expensive. I think they range from about 350 up. So it's not that they're expensive, but it's very satisfying to build your own box. This is the box and a bit of materials that I used. Here I'm sharpening the dowel sticks. You'll see that they fit nicely. I made mine about 30 centimeters. This is just to show you how you can remove the netting if need be, if you want to clean it afterwards. Very easy to assemble this thing. That is the cable that I'm going to use for my fan. It's an Orico fan. I sell them on technical.co.za, but I've got cheap ones for 49 Rand on my mrsmac.co.za website. And here I'm placing the dowel sticks that I've sharpened on the edges. It's only sharpened so that they fit. Those are my biltong hooks. That is my plug for my USB. Also available from technical.co.za. Here I'm salting my meat. That's the marbling. Now I'm going to hook the meat. There we go. And basically I am just hanging every bit of meat. Now I have salted this meat on every side, and I've salted it very well. I do like salt. I need salt as I'm older. It's as if I need that magnesium or something. So I just make sure that I decently salt my meat. And so any case, I wasn't sure how to hang them. I just hung them whichever way. And, maybe the way that I see them in shops. I think there was one piece of meat, the one there in the front left. You'll see that I hung with the fat on the top side, but who cares? I'm experimenting and I'll see how it's going to work out. And I'm quite